I was raised in a little town called Rosebud, Texas. I grew up on a farm. When I was a little kid and we'd go shopping, I was always so intrigued by business. Everything that I saw them doing, and someday I'm going to have my own business.
After 25 years in the educational and corporate furniture industry, Lorraine did start her own company.
It was a very personal thing, very personal in a small town to be able to make differences in the lives of young people, where they could stay there and live there in a small town. Very personal for me to see the company go to where it has now. A really, really proud feeling to see Greg come along.
I learned so much from my mother. I can remember from day one her telling me about why what we did was important, how it touched the children. I was challenged with misdiagnosed ADD when I was a kid, and so it was hard in that traditional classroom. The seating was 30 years old. It was supposed to be uncomfortable, and you were supposed to sit still in it, right? And now our product is flexible, it's comfortable, it makes you feel like it's home, you can move in it. We have product in schools where kids can't wait to get to the classroom. You know what a big deal that is? My mother told me once, happy people make happy product, and when you can have a core and a culture like that and wonderful people like we do, it sure does make it a lot easier, and it's special. And you talk about what do you want people to think about your brand as, right? It's cool, it's safe, we help people sleep well at night. That's what the brand means. It means security, it means service, it means quality.
For over 3 decades, MooreCo brands have been improving the lives of students, teachers, and office workers.
That was always neat to think that the products that went into the educational market were things that made it easier for a child to learn, for teachers to teach.
What we do is important, and we are changing education and kids' lives for the better. It feels incredible to be part of the change, yeah.